Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and the Dow Jones30 futures charts. Starting off here with the S&P 500, currently final sale trading at 4,716, and we continue to advance towards the upside here. This is something I did say during yesterday's video, especially after how dovish that Fed meeting was. Problematic though, because we are seeing the RSI with very high readings of 79.43. Last time we were this overbought on the RSI, where were we? Well, we had this incredible run back in 2020, and then we were met, unfortunately, with a very aggressive sell-off of approximately 10%. Am I saying that we're going to pull back 10%? No, not necessarily, but I do think that we are getting very overextended here. You know, just from the 50-day EMA alone, that represents a 5% fall, and then the 200-day EMA is 8% away here. So that's very extended here for the S&P 500. So I think whatever we give here, we're just going to have to give back come January. So I'm not getting too excited here. I think the majority of the move has taken place. And I just think like right now is a great time to take profits, especially as we go into the end of 2023. Moving over here to the Nasdaq100, very similar. We nearly achieved a brand new all-time high here, but we did pull back late on in the session. You know, Nasdaq100 in terms of the RSI, we're not looking as bad as the S&P 500, and especially the Dow Jones30, which we'll get to in a few moments time. But again, I still think that there is going to be some consolidation here. We're going to see some money escape the Magnificent 7, which of course is going to cause some volatility here in the Nasdaq100, and I think it's going to go to more cyclical areas in the market, stocks which have high debt as well. Obviously, they're the main beneficiaries of lower interest rates. And of course, talking about low interest rates, look at this. We've had the 10-year bond yield just completely crash, and we've closed below the 4 handle for the very first time dating back to July 2023. So, massive fall here in the yields. But then, just finally moving over to the Dow Jones 30, this chart just looks scary. If we just quickly zoom into the past month or so, we've pretty much gone up in a straight line. And let me tell you something, markets don't go up in a straight line. So RSI reading of 85, I think this is an area where you really want to consider taking profits if you're up nicely. I do expect a very significant fall here in the Dow Jones 30 as we go into the month of January. 50-day EMA is 6% away, 200-day EMA is around 8% away, and I just feel like this market is just screaming take profits. So I would definitely recommend on doing so. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. Don't forget, guys, if you'd like to join my Signal team, then make sure you scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up to my service and become a member of my team. Thank you very much.